फटाफट आज पार्टी तेरे तरफ से है। मेरे तरफ से कहाँ पर है ना?
इनसे बाइट लेना है। मतलब यहाँ पे अब किसका बाइट लेंगे हम लोग?
अरे अपना उसको चलो
This one, she will come from the door. We are going to display the jewelry. Okay, and she's going to tie the jewelry. Okay, here, once you can begin. No. I tell Babu, it's not.
ऊपर क्या लगाना है अभी?
ये जब भी वो देख के जाएगी ना, वो देख उसका देख के हो जाएगा ना, उसके बाद इधर पे तीनों पीसेस ऊपर जाएंगे।
अच्छा,
और एक चौथा नेकलेस भी लगेगा, एक फोर्थ नेकलेस फिगर आउट कर लो कौन सा है। ये है ना, ये अभी भेज दो, वो शूट में नहीं आने वाला वो।
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well.
I'm all
Walking down and up.
भाई तुम्हारा ये लाइट ऑन कर दो ना, ये लाइट ऑन कर दो ना भाई।
Part of the Zoya family, or it's basically family here taking pictures.
Hi, Sushmita. Hi.
अरे ये लाइट ऑन कर दो ना।
Shraddha, fine. Also, the fact that it kind of looks like a
भाई
snake
थोड़ा
rolling
पीछे आ
down
जाओ
the
भाई।
bed. Yeah, I love that. It looks
ना दादा थोड़ा
It's
पीछे
the
आना।
whole idea is flow. in Yes, this collection, yes. Because it's from the Art Nouveau period, right? So it's all Yes. about the diamonds and everything. Can we try this?
Yes. The girl needs a mirror.
Why don't you come
Yes.
here? We get you a
Yes,
mirror.
we get
Why don't you come this side? Because they want pictures of you trying this. So can we have the mirror?
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
come.
Hi. हम इतना तैयार हो गया है, सब मास्क में घूम रहे हैं। ये कोई बात है?
We do the necklace first.
Yes.
भाई आप थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ प्लीज।
My darling, come. We need help. Ready? This is very romantic, by the way. Oh, that's beautiful. This was meant for white. Look at the elegance. So understated, it's so rich.
Avantika.
Yeah, tall, huh? Oh, that's gorgeous.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
The thing is, I will get myself. What I did about Oh, this really secures it, huh? It's one of those. इसको घुमाना पड़ेगा. It's a long journey. आजा.
Oh my god, they're gorgeous.
Really beautiful.
And you make it like really.
And
really
I'm a big
pretty.
fan of opal.
Yeah, and it's a time, emeralds also.
Yes.
I remember.
No, actually, I've always been a big fan of diamonds to begin with. And then as I started growing up, my taste started going more towards color. And I discovered emeralds. I'm a big fan of also Burmese rubies. I love the red. And opal. It's a favorite. You do a lot of emeralds here, huh?
Mainly diamonds, and then there are other stones.
No, but this one has
This one
emeralds.
has emeralds. Yes,
That's
they also
beautiful.
use caption stones, tourmaline, many kind of stones. But
I'm a
this-
big fan of cabochon as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, our last collection is very colorful and very spirited because people have to play with it.
What was that called?
That's called rooted.
Oh, beautiful.
And it
Beautiful.
was inspired
Because
by
it's the rawest form.
Yeah, yeah.
So
You may
rooted.
wanna, you may just wanna make that straight. It's not.
Yeah.
I wonder why I never wear earrings. They look nice on me.
Yeah, they look amazing on you.
Beautiful. Yeah. Love it. There is more?
Kind of.
Am I going to get security afterwards? I have a lot of jewelry on me.
In Zoya, so it's a very secure set.
Yes.
Oh,
It fits like it was made for me. And et voila. Thank you. Beautiful. You guys
Thank
want to
you.
just have a real quick, it's beautiful, Shraddha. Very, very nice.
so we take some pictures here because we just need them again. So we're doing a digital thing and then we go up.
Yes. Of course. If you go up and on.
Yeah, I'll help you. So you remember Sushmita Amanpreet last time we had met her? She's a brand head for Zoya. Yes. Unfortunately, she's a brand and not able to travel. Watching it.
Hi!
मैं ना ठीक है तुमको
Just for the show.
Back here.
Yeah.
कैमरा जैसे नीचे जाता है ना बहुत डर लगता है.
Let me show you the shot.
Yeah, I think we should just go higher.
Can you just show her the shot?
Maybe I'm sure it's good. I just wanna let you know that. Very nice. Talented है. Very good.
Good.
Wapas. That's good. No, I'm actually keeping an eye on the neckpiece
Amazing.
so that we can lower this. I have to agree. If I have lipstick in my teeth, you have to clean it up.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh, how beautiful.
Excuse me.
This is
not Libera, right?
This is Rouge.
Yeah, no, this is not Libera.
This is,
I now know what is Libera. Ah, the welcome support is the heels. What a beautiful store.
The Bangalore one is our newest, and it's beautiful also. So that you're ever there. I just want to show you
Bangalore, I haven't been in a while.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that necklace. I saw it. That one. Is this not identical?
It is.
Or
We
it's
just left it here from
अरे
India.
मोबाइल भाई हम लोग को भी काम करने
Photograph
को
also.
कैमरा भी है मोबाइल भी है थोड़ा देखना
पीछे भी जा सकते हैं आप.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
And this. This is Libera.
So Shweta, this is Nahi. She's from Vogue.
Hi, nice to meet
She's doing a story on
Nice to meet you too, my darling. Oh, I see you do a lot of opals.
Yeah, this collection has a lot of photos.
Yeah.
Yeah. In fact, even Mother of Pearl, what you're wearing has a lot of Mother of Pearl figures.
Yeah, she said.
Yes.
Very different.
Yes. No, and it is indeed something that I haven't seen an Indian designer do.
Yes.
Beautiful.
It's kind of our first one.
Extremely international. And coming to the house. Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually, so this is the entire collection is inspired by different eras of Bollywood. So this is by 2000 the razzmatazz of jazz. That is in-
Razzmatazz of jazz. I like that.
Yeah, so
No, I don't think she can wear another bracelet.
no, I was just taking it out.
No, but I'd love to touch it.
Ah, okay.
I'd love to.
Listen, we'd love to send any of these to you for any of your appearances or anything we'd love to.
I will definitely wear that someday. It's gorgeous.
So that's custom
What are the
cut.
stones?
That's custom cut blue to press,
Okay.
and then the rubies and the diamonds that we have selected. So it's an onion cut, so that's why you have the top, which is like
That's a
one-
lacy vent, which we should stay away from. Merci. This is gorgeous, huh? And everything's made here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
So the
In
entire
fact, you know,
thing-
we've heard about
Really seasons.
Okay.
But yeah, different collections. Yeah.
something like this, which is inspired by Krishna Dior shirt. So that's how it was.
Yeah. And this is inspired by the drapes of the opera
Yes,
here.
that's right.
Beautiful.
with each piece,
Thank you.
Sushmita, there is storytelling at Zoya. With every piece.
Yes,
You know?
I heard.
It's all about the woman.
But it's, you know, it makes it interesting. Look at it. Beautiful. This.
Oh yeah, it's stunning.
This. I also quite love the There's so much of Indianness that comes to India.
It's a soul of India. Very contemporary.
one-to-one interview.
Avar.
Yeah. So this is from the history, art, that period.
I love the chess set also, may I add. Beautiful.
We do one standing picture, just...
What a good save.
I'm just going to remove this and put it back.
That was such a good save. You went flying and landed on your feet. That's lovely. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay.
The earrings and the necklace, yeah. Just one second, just wait. Lovely. Thank you.
Look your right now. One more. Ma'am. Look at wait. Wait.
Thank you. Thank you. I love some coffee. You have a cappuccino? I have strong one.
Yeah. Can you get her a strong cappuccino?
Thank you so much. Machine wala hai?
Okay, so we're just going to do interviews now.
Yeah, we're going to
Are your phones on silent?
1, 2, 3. आवाज आ रही? नहीं आ रही? आ रही। बाल की आवाज आ रही?
Check for the
Give me 5 minutes.
It's really important. Just check for the rascals.
To straighten you, then that's it.
Straighten
This side.
This side?
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. This is normal. Yeah, but it's not staying now. Back. So it keeps sticking out in the back. Yeah. Is this straight enough?
Yes, 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 yes.
Push back. Sounds like So do I get to look into your eyes and answer, or do I have to, or do I have to look into nothingness?
Not in the camera.
Not again. Okay. This is for?
Luxco, which is a luxury magazine.
Yes.
And they just want you to say hello to the Luxco readers at the start of
Lux Sport.
Luxco.
Book.
Yeah.
I have to see once. Lux. Lux.
Okay, guys, we need you to be silent. We need silence, please, yeah? Thank you.
उसने मिरर ही नहीं दिखा मेरे को माइकल ने। Little bit. Too much because also unnatural.
We can't hear you, so I'm going to call on my phone, okay? Just 1 second.
And put it on speaker.
Yeah.
My God, it's been ages.
Where is Natisha?
Long time. Long time. She poor thing can't hear us
Yeah,
also.
just 1 second. Can you just stay for 1 second?
आदत से मजबूर है told you. It's the celebration of a woman's inner world. It's getting to know cake. जब आप external validation के बगैर जी लेते हो, जब आपकी अपनी पहचान इतनी ताकतवर होती है that you don't need external validation और सबकी सोच आपको affect नहीं करती. I think that is beautiful about this collection. It's elegant, it doesn't scream for attention, and it commands respect. I like that. I love adorning it as well.
Susmita, this is not your first time with the Tata Group. Can you tell us about your associations? You've launched them.
I'm all in. I think it's a lovely celebration.
And your favorite pieces?
The one I'm wearing. Of course, I've got earrings. I'm not big on earrings ever in life, but this one has been quite the charmer. If you look at it closely, it's rows of diamonds with a gorgeous opal in the center. And this represents the drapes of a theatre or the opera house. So very, very, like I was saying, it's thought behind every piece that makes it such a story to tell.
ओके सो मैम आर्या आपकी जो वेब सीरीज थी वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एप्रिसिएटेड थी. आप क्या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे उसके अपकमिंग सीजन को लेकर?
पूरी स्क्रिप्ट बता दूं? बहुत मज़ा आएगा. फिर देखने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, है ना? मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों ने कोविड के दौरान, इस पैंडमिक के दौरान बहुत मेहनत से अपने सारे घर परिवार सबको छोड़ के बबल के अंदर शूटिंग करी है, which is now releasing November mid, God willing. और जितनी मोहब्बत के साथ सीज़न 1 को रिसीव किया था, आई एम जस्ट प्रेइंग टू गॉड दैट सीज़न 2 से भी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगे आपको.
सो मैम आपकी जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है ऑडियंस को बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन मिलता है
मुझे ज़िंदगी के हर पहलू, हर इंसान से इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है। मैं शुरू से कहती आई हूँ कि मैं एक ऐसी इंसान हूँ कि मुझे गाड़ी में बैठ के जा रही हूँ तो और बच्चा होता है या लोग देखती हूँ रास्तों पर, तो उनसे इंस्पिरेशन, उनकी हरकतों से इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है। मुझे पान वाले से लेके प्रेसिडेंट, हर किसी से इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है। मुझे अच्छे लोग अच्छे लगते हैं। हैप्पी नवरात्रि एंड वेरी वेरी ब्लेस दुर्गा पूजा। गॉड ब्लेस यू। खुश रहें, आबाद रहें और एक दूसरे की मदद करते रहें। लॉट्स ऑफ लव।
थैंक यू मैम।
Zoya team is here. Sushmita. And Priya.
Camera once. Yeah. 2, 3, and yeah.
Oh yeah. Moving on. Next.
That's it. Last minute.
श्रद्धा is here. Light आ रही है? श्रद्धा मैम के दांत दिख रहे हैं? वो स्माइल कर रही है? हाँ।
Come,
आप आ रहे हैं?
Yeah, one second, girls, come. Can I Zoya staff come? Manish, can you come?
So, three Shaktis. Everybody, wait.
Look here.
Okay, ये बाबू आ जाओ। I just want to be careful about removing this babu. Come. Yeah.
Only Diwali wish. And ma'am, Durga Puja, please.
1 second, baby. Careful, careful. Yes.
Quickly, quickly.
Wait, wait. Yeah.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you, Sushmita.
यहाँ ले लीजिए। आइए। लीजिए।
यहाँ पे वेट फोन पकड़ते रहा है, रोल चालू नहीं है, बाउंस का बस बैठ रहेगा। तू भी ठीक है, आया वीडियो बना लो, जान दो अभी मारा रे, लेकिन बाउंस कर रहा है। हेलो वीडियो बना लो, वीडियो बना लो। साइड
Yes, yes, yes. And then I'll just go ahead.
सुष्मिता जी इधर रुकिए अभी। हाँ, ये साइड।
ये अभी आया।
हाँ रुके बस अभी टर्न लीजिए मैडम जी। अरे सुष्मिता जी रुके ना। अरे मैडम जी
एक मिनट आप लोग आइए ना, फोटो लेने दीजिए।
घर पे जाके लेने पड़ेगा मेरे को फोटो।
फिर हम दे दे यार,
लेने रहे
ये मार दिया फोटो। अरे नहीं मार यार, बहुत आ रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत आया है। बना के दो।
Thank you, guys.
तो मैं जाने के लिए मारा ही रे फोटो।
जाते ही निकलते बाहर आके फोटो